All right, good afternoon, guys. It's Sunday. We're gonna take it a little easy today. I'm in a little bit of pain, so we'll make today's project super easy. What I'm gonna do is well, first off, one of the dash lights was out on my 4runner. Now I think this can be done on the 86 up to maybe 2002 Tacomas and 4runners. I did find some LED lights that I think will actually work. So let's get into it. I plan to disassemble the dash super fast, super easy. Swap out the bulbs, test it tonight, see if it works. I'm hoping to get rid of that ugly kind of green nasty look that the old school trucks and cars used to have. So with that being said, let's get into it and let's see what it takes to get it done. But before we even get into this, I will show you a clip now of what it looks like during the evening time and how nasty it is. All right, I'll show you the clip now. All right, so this is the nighttime shot. Let's see what we got going on here. Here we go. See how it's kind of dull, that horrible blah. Let's see if we can make it brighter. Wrong way. Well, it's still kind of dull, kind of, I don't know, yellow, greenish looking. Can't really see this part. Anyway, let's get these switched out to LEDs and see what happens. All right, hopefully the iPhone will get some better pictures of this. Anyway, we're gonna take out those two screws. Okay, so let me take them out. And I forgot to mention, before we take out the screws on the top, we need to take off that screw, then pop out the ignition cover from here. So let me get all those guys off and we'll get back right into it. Hang on. Okay, so I pulled the lower part off like that. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, and we pull this guy off like that. That comes off. And then just pull the bezel out. Oh, one more screw behind there, that one. And then we should come out, I think. All right, let me do this and I'll get right back to you guys again. Okay, once everything is off, we're gonna disconnect the dimmer switch, pull it out, get to the 1, 2, 3, and there should be one on this side somewhere there. Okay, let me get those 4 screws off and get right back to you guys again. All right, 4 screws are off. Now we just disconnect all these little clips. That one, and the one way back there. Pull it out. Okay, this is what we're after. We're gonna change out these guys. 1, 2, 3, whatever, this big one here, with this kit. So it comes with the adapter housing that plugs into the back, and then the LEDs, unfortunately, because they are you need to get the positive and sorry, you need to get the positive and negative correct, so it's best to plug it back in and see which ones you need to flip. So let me get on that. All right, so it's gonna come in a pack like this, loose. You just connect them, unplug this one like that. See? I mean, I guess you could put the green thing back on, but nah, I don't want to. I want it to be white. So we just plug it back in like this and turn. Locks it in. I'm only doing the main indicator lights. I'm not gonna do all these small little ones, mostly just these big guys here, 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 and here. those are the main ones that illuminate the instrument cluster. So let me finish changing these guys out, and again, I'll get right back to you guys. Oops. All right, so on second thought, you know what? It's easier just to leave it plugged in. Reach behind here, grab one of these plugs out if you need to, pull it out, switch it, leave the dash light turned in the on position. That way you can permanently check if it's reverse polarity or not. So let me do that, and I'll get back to you guys one more time. Well, here's something I forgot to totally mention. In order for the lights to even work, you need to reconnect the dimmer switch. So I'm gonna unplug this, take that nut off, plug the dimmer switch back in, and hopefully everything should light up. Okay, so let's test it out. You're gonna hear that buzzing, the irritating buzzing sound. But there we go. It's kind of hard to see during the day. Let's turn that off. Anyway, let me wait till the sun goes down, and I'll film a little bit more of the nighttime views. That way we can get a pretty good comparison. All right, let's wait till the sun goes down, and I'll get right back to you guys one more time. All right, and we simply just put everything back in reverse order, snap it all in, and wait till tonight. All right, it's nighttime. Now let's see how the LED lights came out. All right, let me turn the camera around so you guys can check it out. Turn that off, and here we go. Aha, nice. And these things are crazy bright. I don't think the camera can pick it up, but anyway, we can dim it. Oh, there we go. And really bright, and wow. Okay, that is crazy bright, but right about there. So yeah, nice and clean, crisp, white, perfect. These LEDs worked out really, really good. Okay, there you go. There you have it. The LEDs are in, works really good. It dims really well. Nice, crisp, clean, white lights. Better than that faded kind of green, I don't know, nasty color. But yeah, this was a good one. Check it out if you guys want. I'll leave a link where you can pick up these lights. They were the Amazon ones. I forgot which exact ones, but I'll leave a link in the description. Anyway, thanks everyone for checking out the video. I'll see you guys on the next project that's coming up real soon. Thanks everybody.